Hi, I'm Anu. So, real talk, just last year I was just another college student dreaming of working at companies like Google X Intuit. And fast forward to today, I'm a software engineer at Google, and this is a day in my life video which is meant to motivate you and help you work harder towards your dreams. So, let's get started. So, my day typically starts with a skincare routine at around 9 a.m. And I'm not really a morning person, as I've told before, and I get ready for office around 10 a.m. And then my cab arrives where I pack my bag. So you'll see me sitting at multiple places, but this is what my desk looks like. I know it's not pretty because I don't come here often. So after the stand up, I went over to work in the lounge, and I forgot to show you guys around the lounge. So here's what it looks like. And you have multiple places like this around the office where you can work without any distractions. You have comfy seating, sofas, chairs, just a overall change of scenery if you ever get bored working at your desk. I then had another meeting that I had to attend to where I needed to ask some doubts, questions with a cross team. So it was late in the afternoon. Left my earbuds at home to quickly grab that from the vending machine. Heading over for a quick snack at the micro kitchen, which is always filled with fruits, dry fruits, and chocolate. Getting coconut water every day, which is filled with vitamins and minerals. And then heading over for a quick round of focus session where I code. The best thing about the office is that every floor has a theme, and even the meeting rooms, the lounges, everything is themed according to that. So, this particular floor has a model of Hyderabad, so a complete miniature model of Hyderabad city. And it's finally time to head home. I then cook a light dinner for myself and create and edit content which is going to be helpful for all of you. Finally, the best part, end of day yoga, which is a complete unwinding routine for me. So that's what a typical day in my life looks like, and not every day looks the same. Sometimes there's a lot of work to do, sometimes there's little work to do, so life changes according to that. But make sure that you get some physical activity in, because as software engineers, we sit at our desk a lot. And overall, this video is just meant to motivate you that eventually all of your hard work will pay off, and make sure that you're putting in that work now so that your future self can live the best life and enjoy your life. And I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.